Today we will be testing the Notifier NWS-24. Yes, I in fact said Notifier for this alarm. Well, why? Well, they made a strobe for once. Duh. This was when they were still owned by Emhart. As you can see right here, Notifier Emhart. This was before they got bought out by Pittway. Now they're owned by Honeywell. So without further ado, let's power up this strobe in 3, 2, 1. Not very bright at all, actually. On the camera, it's just that one little flash. Of course it's bright under these lights. Let's do the infamous light turn-off mode. There we go. Even with the lights off, it's not that bright. I mean, it appears bright on the camera here. I don't know why. But it's not that bright in person. Okay. That's it for now. Now to activate it with a pull station, we have the Gamewell Sentry. This is the best I could do considering I don't have the Notifier BNG1. I think it would match this strobe nicely because of the stainless steel, but enough whining about certain alarms I don't have. I kind of decided to use this one because A, I haven't used it in a while. B, I still like it. I'm not hating on it. So anyways, here we go. Still not very bright. Now we're going to use the proper way to reset this pull station. Use the hex key. Screw that back in. Anyways, that's going to be it.